94% of Fortune 500 companies deployed AI job replacers in 2025. That number just hit breaking point. OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft aren't slowing down. They're accelerating. First tool replacing jobs right now. Claude handles legal document review faster than 47 senior attorneys combined. Deloitte just reported 3.2 million roles eliminated by 2026. Second tool is even darker. Runway Gen-3 creates video content replacing entire production teams. Major studios cut 12,000 jobs last quarter alone. Third tool destroying freelance work. GPT-4 writes code 8x faster than junior developers. Stripe and Figma already replaced entire contractor networks. Fourth tool is your competition right now. Midjourney eliminates graphic designers. Adobe reported 67% of design studios downsizing. Fifth tool attacks your wallet directly. AI customer service agents handle 89% of support tickets now. Your job isn't safe. Your salary isn't safe. Your career path is rewriting itself. This isn't speculation anymore. This is documented, quantified, happening now. Your industry is next. Your salary will drop or vanish. You need to move faster than the AI. Today decides your 2026 paycheck. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.